guys and girls, today's recipe is so easy. Keto chocolate nut clusters. This is literally all the ingredients you're gonna need. It's just 3 ingredients. You want sugar-free 8 or 9 ounces of chocolate chips. You want coconut oil and then salted peanuts or mixed nuts. I think I'm actually going to mix some of my walnuts in with this. You can really do whatever mixture you want, and that's it. Okay, step 1 is so easy. You're just lining a baking pan or dish with parchment paper. Very simple. You're just combining your whole bag of sugar-free chocolate chips with your 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and then you're just going to melt it in the microwave until the chocolate's melted, and you can mix it smoothly. I'd say do about intervals of 10-15 seconds. We'll see how that works. So I heated the chocolate and the coconut oil in the microwave for about 3 or 4 intervals of 20 seconds. So you're running about a minute to a minute 20 to get this melted and smooth. So you just mix till it's smooth and then you let it cool down before you add your mixed nuts. So I just added my cup of salted peanuts, and then additionally I added some walnuts. You can just do 2 cups of salted peanuts if you want, really whatever combination you want. And then you're just mixing this together until all those peanuts are covered in chocolate. So easy. You're literally just taking your chocolate peanut mixture and getting large spoonfuls, and then you just want to put that down on your baking sheet or dish. I actually switched to a baking sheet because there's a lot of this. I might actually need to use 2 baking sheets. So, because you don't want it to run into each other and become one big blob. But you could even make these into candy bars if you want to use a candy bar mold. I am ready to put this into the fridge and let it cool down and become solid. You absolutely aren't going to be able to tell this is a keto snack at all. It tastes so good. I already know that chocolate tastes delicious. You can't tell it's sugar-free whatsoever. I can't wait to taste this for you. See you soon. Okay, guys and girls, I'm all done making this. It was so easy, and now it's time to taste test. So 1 sec. This is delicious. I'm not exaggerating, not lying. It was so easy. You honestly can't tell that it's sugar-free. Again, I made it with the Russell Stover sugar-free stevia chocolate chips. You honestly can't tell at all one bit. This is absolutely delicious. Okay, one more bite. So keto, 3 ingredient, you can't beat that. Absolutely delicious. Sweet, you can't tell it's sugar-free. I recommend this to anyone. It's so simple with only 3 ingredients. So definitely give it a try, and I'll catch you in the next video.